Hey, I'm here to show you how to make this airsoft grenade. If you don't like the shape of it, it's optional to cut it about right here and then fold the paper over, and then it'd be more of a ball, but I decided to keep this tape on right here just as a handle so it's easier to throw. What you're going to need is paper, tape, this is crappy tape, BBs. I suggest .12s because they're cheap and lighter, so they'll go farther. And then black hats. First off, you might want to open up the black hats and take out the one with the green wick, and the rest, they're junk for this. Might be helpful to someone else. But I already have a piece of paper that I already cut and everything. You're going to first take the paper and put a hole about right in the middle. That's where the wick's gonna go. That's where the wick's gonna go straight in the hole, but not yet. Then you're going to take it, make a cup, make a hole with your hand, and stick this in. More or less trying to make it a clean hole, not all these creases and everything. Some bees get caught in those, and those are waste BBs. So you're just trying to make it as clean as possible. And then you're going to take your wick, stick it into the hole. Oh. Bent open, or bent closed a little. So now you have pretty much this. And then you're going to take your airsoft BBs and pour them in. I've got to say, before making the paper in the shape, I suggest crumbling it up a little bit, making it weaker so you can fold it to the shape easier. Otherwise, it's really stiff, and then it makes those creases a lot. And you don't want too many BBs in there. And then, pretty much, you're just going to make sure you're holding the wick out. Close it up. Oh, I could use more BBs. There you go. So there's about that many BBs in there. Not leaving that much. Black head open. You want it to be mostly filled. You don't want it you want BBs mostly surrounding the black hat. And then make it to about, so far it should look like this. Squeeze it and make sure, try to get all the BBs on this end, and this end is just going to be correct paper. You can cut it if you want, and then it'll be more of a ball shape, but I prefer these sticks on the end. Then you're going to take your tape. Oh my god, it's stuck. Take off a piece. And just tape it on. And you can cut it like here if you want, make it shorter, do whatever you want. but pretty much just keep on taping it.